British pound is in remarkable situation as well. You can see that last week British pound made a great leap to the upside and formed a big bullish candle at the weekly chart. The pound strengthened to its highest this year after the UK Prime Minister Theresa May called for a snap election on June 8th, seeking a personal mandate and parliamentary support to take her through tough Brexit talks. The pound then got stopped by a 15-week moving average, which is located at the level of 1.2845. So far, the British currency failed to get higher. The weekly close was below this level, and we also see the heavy bearish Shimoku cloud, which is keeping the pair under pressure, and this cloud is located at 1.3115. So this is a kind of heavy cloud over the British pound, and it is not easy for the British currency to overcome this mark. We are also at the kind of channel resistance here and this strong moving average on the weekly part. So some retracement is possible. The potential retracement target, if we are talking about the downside, may be located at 1.2625. Here we have the previously resistance of the triangle, and now this represents support. The inability of the British pound to continue its rally to the upside may be explained by the fact that the market's reaction, the rally, may have been a bit exaggerated, and there is still uncertainty over the upcoming elections and whether Theresa May will have her support at this election, and well, even if she wins, what will happen with the United Kingdom, how she will proceed with Brexit. Still, we don't know anything at this point, and this is why the way for the upside for the British pound is surely not easy. This week, global sentiment and will be a driver of the British pound. So far, the market is in the favorable mood after French presidential election, the first round, but we should remember that some risks tied to North Korea and the situation at Korean Peninsula may flare once again, and increase in geopolitical risks will be negative for the pound. So as for the data, here we will also have figures mostly from the United States. And among British data pieces, a GDP release on Friday will be the most important piece. In the absence of more market movers from Britain, we will be looking at data from the US. But all in all, the lack of these economic releases in calendar for this pair is one of the reasons to expect some correction to the downside here. For now, GBPUSD is consolidating around 1.28 mark, as you may see on the daily chart. And also, if we study the pair with the weekly pivot indicator, we should still see that the pair is in the positive weekly territory, that the weekly pivot is located at 1.2742 and is capable, as long as it is above this level, to rise to levels around 1.2970. The next pivot resistance is at 1.3130. But we remember the weekly chart, we remember the moving averages here, and the Ishimoku obstacle. So our week levels around 1.2550, 1.30 should be levels to fix bullish positions on the British pound if you open these positions above 1.28 mark. But I still feel that the overbought British pound is due for some correction to the downside.